If you are looking for the sliding window designs for your home interior, then you are at the right place, cause this video is all about the sliding window type designs ideas. Please watch it complete. Modern windows have the vital task of connecting your home with the outside world. Bringing in air and light, they provide opportunities for contemplation when arranged above a dining nook or a portal to the natural world when overlooking an oceanside scene. Framed with wood, metal, or vinyl, these inspiring Windows designs will show you in this video. Slider window design is one of the most comprehensive mixed-use window system on the market, providing several styles with a variety of design and performance options. These windows slide horizontally left and right. What do you think? Is a window's role in the curb appeal of a home? They are an essential part of a building meant to allow natural light and air inside. But it's also the windows, their design and style that add to the attractiveness of the house. With the continuously changing architecture and home design trends, windows have come a long way from classic Victorian to modern minimalist designs. However, their purpose of brightening and enhancing the interiors has remained constant. Nowadays, there are a variety of window designs and types to choose from. Understanding your budget, needs, and architecture style play a crucial role in making the right choice. The different styles of windows available on the market might be dizzying if you are remodeling. But it is essential to keep your wits about you since windows contribute so much to the overall success of your design scheme. They reflect the architecture of your house, but they also add a dose of decorative style to the home interior that should enhance the look of your room they inhabit. Double-hung multiple light windows are a good choice for a traditional homes. But within the category, you can choose patterns for the grille design that can reflect a classic style or learn more toward a more restrained contemporary style. For a fresh, modern style, the clean look of casement windows which open from side hinges with a crank or lever are a natural fit. These windows can be designed with grills for a softer, more transitional look, with solid panes of glass for the modernist, used in conjunction with picture windows. Casement windows contribute to a sleek, clean look in keeping with a linear, minimal decorating style. Windows brighten a room, but they hog wall space, sometimes leaving you with nowhere to hang artwork. If the effect you are after is the kind of highly personalized, enveloping atmosphere that artwork creates, less might be more. Curtains can minimize some of the problems of too much light, but in space like kitchens, where use of fabric is ill-advised, the design of the windows should be take into consideration the path of the sun over the course of a day. There's no better way to upgrade your rooms than with interior doors and windows. Here in this video, you are watching the beautiful and stylish collection of sliding windows. Specialty windows like bay windows or Pelagian shapes are used to make maximum design impact. A bay window can provide you with a spot for a window seat, creating a charming dining nook. Or in a larger traditional homes, Palladian windows can give the classic grace note to your elegant interior. Here we are showing you the sliding windows designs, plus some tips regarding the windows for your interior. To achieve the look of original glass, there are different companies which manufacture beautiful windows for the home interior. Here we are showing you different designs of sliding windows. If you enjoy these designs or if you like these designs, please hit the like button. Visit our channel Home Interiors and do not forget to press the subscribe button as well. Now it's time to say goodbye. Watch this video complete. We will meet in the next video. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much.